Hi, welcome back to Flamboyant Creations channel. Here today we're going to show you how we did this setup for Bluey themed birthday. So this is how the blank canvas looked like. That's the tables we'll be working at. So we're working at Mike's kitchen. So here I'm just putting the runner. I wanted a net runner this time, so I used a net runner, and because there was a umbrella in between the table, I had to cut it instead of just taking the runner all through the tables. So here I was just evening it out. Then I had to spread the runner onto the other side till the end of that other table. So this was a setup for 20 kids for a Bluey theme birthday. It was Rorisang's birthday. Once I was done putting the runner, I had to put the centerpieces. So these are the flower centerpieces I was going to use for the Bluey theme. And then I also made paper flowers. So I used the blue paper flowers for as centerpieces as well. Once that was done, I had to now put our plates and our paper plates for each child. So the paper plates were written happy birthday. So we're going to put 10 paper plates on the one side, and then we're going to put 10 more on the other side for each child that was going to attend Rorisang's birthday. So here I'm just going to show you as I put the plates, and then once I'm done with putting the other 10 plates, I'm going to also put our cups, our paper cups. So whenever you're doing paper cups, because of the wind, usually we put lollipops inside so that they don't blow away. So once I put the paper cups onto the table, I'm going to also put the lollipops just after. So yeah, here I was just putting 10 cups on the one side and then 10 cups on the other side as well. So once that's done, once I put on the other side as well, I was just making sure that the flowers are going to show on both sides for the entrance. So yeah, once I'm done with the paper cups, we're going to put our party packs on top of the plates. So yeah, we had a Bluey themed party pack. So yeah, I just printed out Bluey a Bluey wallpaper or Bluey sticker for Rorisang's birthday. So each child was going to receive a party pack, and also it helps with the plates so that they don't fly away as well. So yeah, that's why we put the party packs on top of the paper plates so that they don't fly away. So each child was going to receive a party pack. In the party pack, we usually put chips, juice, a toy, sherbet, lollipops, and also sweets for the guests who are attending the birthday party. So you can actually have the sticker facing the child that's attending the party as well. So once that's done, I'm going to bring in my balloon garland. So there's my balloon garland, and then I installed my balloon garland onto our backdrop. So since it was Bluey theme, we had a blue backdrop. So I wanted a touch of royal blue onto the balloons because it was too pastel for me. So I had to now pump a few blue balloons on the side so that we can just put them as add-ons onto the backdrop. So yeah, here I'm just going to tie my balloons, and then once that's done, I'm going to use an extension, those extended balloons, the longer ones, and then I use them to tie the small balloons, and then I use them to tie also on the balloons. Once that's done, I'm going to start sticking the sticker onto the backdrop. So we use vinyl stickers for our backdrops. I mean for the name of the child's birthday. So here we're going to write happy birthday, or happy 7th birthday. We're going to write happy 7th birthday Rorisang. So yeah, here I'm sticking the 7th sticker And then after that, I'm going to put the birthday under that, and also Rorisang under that. So yeah, this is how it looks so far. So yeah, if you have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our page. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. We're here to answer any of your questions. So yeah, the reason okay, also another tip, whenever you're doing your backdrops and you don't want to paint your backdrop, you can actually use material to cover your backdrops. I think I've covered one backdrop before. You can actually see on our previous videos on how I cover my backdrops to have the different colored themes for different birthdays. So yeah, now I'm sticking the Rorisang, and this is our final look. This is the final Bluey theme, and this is how it came out. I hope you loved the video. If you have any questions, please ask. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.